What's up everyone, welcome back to One Strange Adventure and welcome to the next video. Today's video is kind of a special segment because we don't typically do just camper reviews. But I'm in the Grand Design section and, well, I'm in a prototype. This is actually the first time that this camper has been debuted. We are at the 2021 Tampa RV Show and it is beautiful. It's a lot like other front living RVs, but the couch and the TV has actually been reversed so that when you're sitting down, you're facing the kitchen. I really like this model. It has a lot of awesome features, and you can see behind me, there's actually, they used a different wood in here as well. So this is really cool. I'm going to show you some footage of the rest of the camper, and we will get going. Now, as I said, it is a front living. It's got 3 couches up here. Amazing. It's really beautiful. Has the long fireplace and a televator above it that actually doubles as a mirror for the kitchen. And if you put mirrors in smaller spaces, it does give it the appearance of being a little bit bigger. I thought it was a really nice touch. Now, as for the bedroom, it does have the east-west bed. There is so much space here between me and the camera. The camera's actually sitting over on the dresser that I'll show you in just a second. In the bed, the bathroom, it actually does have a entry to the bathroom from the master as well as from the hallway. I feel like this is a really cool concept. There are a few things I think we could improve on. One being, I think that the drawers right here are a little close to the bed. I think you could probably get more space out of actually having just a full closet there, and maybe inlaying some drawers to the sides or something like that. But all in all, I think this is a beautiful unit, especially for a prototype. This one has been sold. It's not even on the website yet. If you get a chance to see this Solitude, it is very beautiful. Plus, you get the added storage outside of that slide-out tray, which is amazing. You can put kayaks in there. It is huge. E-bikes, things like that. So if you're in the market and it's maybe just a couple, or you have your grandkids that come over for a little while or something like that, I think this is probably a very nice rig to consider, especially in the Solitude line.